Dear students, this is the third part of second chapter, that is ecological pyramids. Today we discuss ecological pyramids. In today's video we will talk about ecological pyramids. So it is nothing but the representation of any food chain in the form of pyramids. If you represent a food chain in the form of pyramids, these pyramids are called as ecological pyramids. So as you can see on the screen, we have a pyramid. This is an ecological pyramid. And what do we see in this pyramid? We have the bottommost layer. We have trees. The trees are eaten by the giraffe, and the giraffe are further eaten by the lion or tiger. That is, the plants become the producer and the giraffe becomes the primary consumer, and the secondary consumer become the tiger or the lion. So let's see how many kinds of ecological pyramid do we have. That is, in how many ways can we represent any food chain in the form of pyramids. So we discuss the three kinds of pyramids. The first is pyramid of numbers. So what is the pyramid of number? This represents the number of organism or the consumer or the producer in every level. That is, if you see here, these are the trees. So how many trees are available? What are the number of the trees? And definitely we can say that the number of trees will be more in this ways because it's eaten by the giraffe. So how as compared to the trees, the giraffe will be the lesser in number, and now this giraffe will further eaten by the lion or tiger. What do we see here? That is, the number of organism at this level will be definitely lesser than the number of giraffe. That is, the highest will be the number of trees, then after the giraffes, and then after the lion. So the number of organism at every level is now reducing. That is why this pyramid is in upright pyramid. Now the second kind of pyramid, that is pyramid of biomass. Now what is the biomass? Biomass is nothing but the weight of the dead organism. Let's say if we have the trees, so what is the weight of the trees? Now we have the giraffe, so what is the dead weight of the giraffe? Then we have lion, so what is the dead weight of lion? So pyramids of biomass represents the dead weight of the organism at every level. And even in this pyramid, we can see that the weight of the lion will be lesser and the weight of the giraffe slightly more, and trees will be even more. So even this pyramid is actually an upright pyramid. Next is the pyramid of energy. This is the first level where we have the producers. Now because this tree will be eaten by giraffe and giraffe will be eaten by lion, so we can say that the energy is getting transferred from the first level to the second level and then to the third level. So likewise the energy is being transferred till the lion. So the pyramid of energy represents the amount of energy that is available at each level. And what happens, it is not that 100% energy get transferred from one level to the other level. It is never that, because there are some loss of energy in the form of heat. There are some kinds of loss are existing at every level, so not 100% energy transferred to the higher level. So pyramids of energy is always like this, then upright pyramid. So these are the three kinds of pyramids.